guys, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It's been a while. I think it's been over a month since I posted a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I don't remember, but it's been a while. So I am doing my daily chores, and while I'm doing my daily chores, I'm going to do some random decluttering. So while I'm cleaning up the kitchen. So I'm supposed to be working in the kitchen for the summer, deep cleaning and decluttering, and not a whole lot has gotten done. So I need to play catch up for sure. I may have to go ahead and extend that through September, which it's still summer through September, especially in Florida. I think around the 20th is when fall is. So yeah, it won't be fall here until like November. Hey, I am doing my daily chores, which is the kitchen, dishes, and counters, and this is the state of my kitchen before. And this is after. Not too bad. I still have a little bit left to do. Got to put away those dishes, but in between cleaning this, I did some decluttering in the cabinet over there. Hey, if you are new here, welcome, and say hi to me in the comments so I can say hi to you. And if you are a faithful subscriber but you've never commented, also leave me a comment, because I respond to 99% of all the comments and leave another comment for you. So do that. And this is a collab put together by Sunday Dawn, again at the Helpful Home. And we do Tiny Tidy Tuesday every Tuesday and tidy something in our home, whether it's cleaning or decluttering or whatever. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to watch the playlist, and it will be listed down in the description and in the comments too. So don't forget to watch. Okay, so I'm in the middle of doing my daily chores, and I'm going to do some decluttering, zhuzhing. I'm unloading the dishwasher. Usually I like to go ahead and finish everything up and then do that. Do some decluttering or something, straighten a drawer, that kind of thing. But I'm putting this stuff away. So the mason jars is an issue right now. So I'm going to, and we use, well, I don't anymore, but hubby uses these for coffee, and they're stained. Any suggestions? I have soaked them in vinegar. Yeah, so one, it doesn't look messy right now, but when everything's in there, it's messy. So I'm going to, one, get rid of, I need to wipe the stove off first so I have some more surface. I just sprayed it to soak it first. So. All right, so first I'm going to, well, I don't have any tops for these little ones, so I am going to keep some tops for that. But all of the, oh, they're up here. All of these, maybe I'll keep a handful. I don't need them anymore. I have bought these tops and then these tops. So I don't need all that. And I need to straighten that up. Do I need that cold brew coffee anymore? And I got more. I don't know what I was thinking when I had all those, but I'm keeping them for now. But let's see what I can declutter here, and what the heck I have in here and stuff. I got a bunch of tops. What do they go to? Oh, here's a one of these kind of tops. All right, I'm gonna do that. All right, I think I got it sort of. So that's all garbage. I don't even know what this goes to. And it's broken. A water bottle or something. So that's all I'm keeping there. I have the wooden ones here. I use those when it's like something obvious that's in it that I don't have to label it. But I like to use these when I put stuff in it. And then I use a piece of cardstock. I've showed this before. With a label on the top of it, and write with chalk paint and what the item is, like, you know, flour, gluten-free flour, or, you know, different, that you can't tell what's in there for that. So I'm keeping that, but I think I have like obvious things in here that you know what they are. All right, what do I have in here? Okay, so like granola. This is cran raisins, granola. It's obvious what that is, but up here, well, I don't. Some of them have, I'm gonna have to switch them out eventually. Some of them have this and some of them don't. I don't even know what's in there. Oh, I stuck the label inside there. But okay, well, that's a project. So yeah. All right, so that's all organized. I have some larger ones. I put vegetables in the refrigerator with, and hubby uses them for coffee. And then the tops, these are different tops you can put on it too. Like that, you can make it, put a straw in it. I have the small ones up there I don't use as often. This is a huge, large one and whatever. And then I got these size up here. And then all those. It's fine. Good enough. Oh yeah, I'm throwing these away because they're rusted. Now what I have left is plenty more than I need, but you know, they rust. So, I don't know, I feel like I need to save that in case it goes to something. So the guys were watching TV, so I thought I would just go ahead and do a voiceover. You don't want to hear that chatter, but anyway, yeah, hubby's bag, I don't know why that's there. So I have made some improvement over the years of this area. It used to be a hot mess all the time, and I'll show you a picture of that at the end of this video here. Yeah, so you know, keep going, keep working at it. You will progress as you go along. You're gonna have 2 steps forward, 1 step back sometimes, and it's okay. So just keep going and you will get there. So it's just a little bit messy, but I do want to clean up some of this stuff ever since Christmas. That little tiered tray on the corner, it had hot cocoa stuff on it, and I never put it away. I did put hubby's coffee sticks, he calls it his coffee sticks. It's biscotti that he likes to have with his coffee. So, but now that's in a jar, so I can put that away and clean this area up. And it's also where I put my paperwork when it comes in from the mail, which is very little these days. Most of it is junk mail and it goes right in the trash. So yeah, the rest of it is all online. I don't get my electric bill and stuff like that anymore. So that is helpful. So do that. It's helpful. You can always print it out if you need to. You can go on to your electric company and print it out if you need it for some reason or another. Put that dish away that I decided I no longer needed on the counter. I noticed that there are these tea bags that I've been meaning to throw away. They've been in there for years. I don't really drink tea. And then this winter I bought a new thing of tea. I think it's peach passion or something like that. So they're like years and years old. I don't know why I was saving them. So I threw all those in the trash. And then the little things that they were in, I can use them for another organizing project, probably in the pantry. But yeah, I'm going to clear off this tiered tray and put the stuff up in the cabinet, the hot cocoa stuff, and put the tiered tray in the pantry. And yeah. Now I'm going to refill hubby's coffee stick jar and wipe down the counters and give everything a little zhuzh. I am just straightening up under the kitchen desk. There's 2 empty bottles, so I put those in the laundry room, and I asked Nick to bring me 2 more full bottles so I can refill the water jug container by the fridge periodically. Okay, much better. So this is the after, and this is the state of this cabinet right here, which is another time to do that, another project. Well, not really a project, just a random decluttering thing like I'm doing now while I'm cleaning the kitchen. So I will get to that on another day. And yeah, this is the state of my kitchen desk. Just to show you how I have been progressing, this is a picture from October 2021, and this is what my kitchen desk usually look like on an everyday basis. Lord knows how I found that picture, but I did. I have made progress for sure. A real quick short video today. I'm going to go finish my daily chores, and you are going to do a tiny tidy Tuesday and let me know what you got done today. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day and don't forget to watch the playlist.